Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to show you guys how to trim a tree with a brushless handsaw. That's this thing right here. So it takes about 30 minutes to half an hour to charge the battery for this tool. And the best part, you can pretty much use this tool rain or shine. I do recommend wearing a hat and some eye pro to keep the dust from the tree out of your eyes. So there's going to be two handles, one up here and one down here. Push this lever. You're going to want to push this lever down here, push that lever up, and then press. To adjust the saw, you're going to want to push this lever down and bring this plate down, and now you can see the blade, and go ahead and lock it in place by pushing the lever up. Find a good angle and just do the steps I told you and aim the blade wherever you want to cut it. And there you have your first successful cut. See that stack behind me? That's what hard work looks like.